How to fix Canva's slow loading issue. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection over here. If not your Wi-Fi, then make sure that you convert or that you change to your mobile or cellular data. Next, what you can do is check for the updates available for Canva application on your device. So just go to Play Store and go for Canva. Now as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm gonna go back and then tap on Canva, make a long press over here, tap on app info. Now after tapping on app info, what you have to do is simply tap on clear all data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then if it's possible, you can tap on delete all data as well. If not, you can just clear the cache. After that, tap on app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the options required for Canva application, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.